Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to Sid's Tips. And today, looking forward to introducing you to the Viso red light therapy face mask by a company called Lumara. And it was about a month ago when I learned about this company, and I saw one video that was talking about their panel. And then I saw the video of their face mask, and I connected with the owner of the company. We started speaking, and he was super nice, very knowledgeable, and looks like he's building a fantastic company that has some great potential, especially this face mask. So he offered to send me one, and I look forward to using it and sharing with you of how it's worked. But I have to say, I am really impressed, and when I turn it on here in a minute, you'll see why. But it is really, really nice. And so I just got it here just recently, and now wanted to just do an introduction, show you what's included. They do have a good video showing you how to put the straps together, and I could send you a link if you want to email me, and I could send you a link to that video. But obviously this is the box that it comes in. It does have this nice pouch that you could put it in. So you've got the face mask, and you'll have to put the straps on, which is easy to do. And they also have these rubberized cups, and these go on the eyes, and it helps protect the eyes, which is very cool. They are labeled, and the video helped me actually get this all set up. So it shows for the left and for the right. And so when you end up putting it on, as you can see, you could see what that would look like. And then you have a remote control. We'll talk about that in a minute. You've got your brick, and that would be for charging this. So it's nice, you don't have to be plugged in when using this. And then you also have the instructions. So everything seems to be first class. Now, by the way, if you're interested in checking this face mask out, and I think once you start learning about this face mask versus the competitors, you're gonna wanna get this. It's a little bit more expensive, but you can also save $100, and I'll be sure to put my referral link in a code so you could save $100 as well. So just a few specs before I turn it on here. The unit, actually, let me go ahead and plug it in because that will help as part of the specs. So this is the remote control, and you plug this in. Now, let me go ahead and turn this around so you can see the lights. So one of the things, as I'll turn this on here now, you've got, by the way, power, you've got energy, which is for how bright you want it, and then time up, time down. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the straps out of the way. I'm gonna power it on, and now you could see it's on. Now, one of the things which makes this face mask so effective is you can see the entire mask has LEDs throughout the face mask. So you don't have, as you'll see with other competitors, where they're kind of more spotty. So you'll have like areas where it's not covering on the mask, where here you're getting the entire mask of these red light therapy LEDs. In fact, there's 470 LEDs, 660 nanometer targets collagen and elastin fiber. It's verified 0 electromagnetic frequencies, water resistant, easily cleaned and sanitized, and it's got a 40,000 hour life, medical grade and high efficiency LEDs. So those are some of the specs. And then you have your remote control. This is really bright, by the way. So you got your remote control, and then you can adjust the brightness. So that's low, second level, and third level, and again low. And then you can adjust, so you could do 10, 15, 20, up to 20 minutes, and then you can go down to 5. So that's the different options on the remote control. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off for a second, and I'm gonna put it on, actually, so you can see. And so the way this will go with putting the straps on, as I learned, is that you are going to put one strap over the top one, and then over this, and then you can put it on your face. So this will give you an idea. And go ahead and lengthen the cable. So I think it's really good that they have those eye cups. So because this is pretty bright and it's protecting your eyes as well. And as far as breathing, no problem with breathing. So they've got good holes, good ventilation. And this is for medium and high. Wow, this is super, super bright. And again, you can adjust the settings. Now, one of the things the owner suggested is when using this, and there are some products that you use for the face to help enhance and get even better results. But if you go on one side of your face and push down, it's going to even make it more effective. But this will give you an idea of it on me. And again, I think what makes this face mask so effective is the fact that you are getting so many LEDs on this mask. And if you're going to get a face mask, why not get one that's going to be effective for you? So check this out. Again, you could save $100 on this. It's really nice, and it's great that it can get wet. You can feel the material. It's kind of like got a rubberized feel to it. So there you go. That is my initial introduction to the mask. I am super excited to use this. Look forward to seeing before and after, and stay tuned for more. So check it out today. Let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate your time. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.